All right, guys, we got this 2019 Tacoma. It had a no crank, no start concern and a little bit of diag. It wasn't the starter or the battery. It's got this aftermarket push button start wiring system. We got a new one here and it is a mess. I don't know who would prefer to install this. Who cares if you get a push button starter? I'd rather my key as long as it works, but pain in the butt. Now it's cranking, but we still don't have fuel, so we got to follow all the fuel wires on the diagram for this thing. So, yep, there you go, guys. Keep wrenching.